Hello friends, today I would like to take you through the use of Pixellab in creating a beautiful poster for your food business. Suppose that you are running a food business and you would like to make a poster for it to share with your customers. So you can use your phone to create a very beautiful poster to be shared with your customers. You can share the poster on the social media, or you can get it printed and distribute maybe at a junction, so that you call your customers to action, maybe to patronize your restaurant, for example. All right, so like I said last time, Pixellab is a very powerful tool, readily available on your phone. You can use it to create very attractive posters. In our last lesson, we looked at how you can use Pixellab to create a logo. I'm sure you access to that video. If you have not access to that video, you have not watched the video on creation of a poster, a creation of a logo using Pixellab, let me ask you to search it on Black Slides, which is this channel here. You should be able to find it. Alright, so in case this is your first time to have a lesson on the use of Pixellab, let me ask you to first and foremost to install. So install this application on your phone. Okay, it doesn't matter what phone it is, as long as it's an Android phone or an iOS phone. You can use it to create very stunning designs. Okay, so today I would like us to look at how you can create a poster for your food business. Let's say you run a restaurant. Okay, so how can you use Pixellab to create a very stunning and very beautiful poster for your customers? All right, so for you to do that, first and foremost, you must install Pixellab on your phone. So all you have to do is go to Google Play or Play Store on your phone to look for the app called Pixellab. So the first one that pops up is the one that we are looking for. All right, so for you to be sure that you are downloading the correct one, you have to look for this icon. That's the one which we would like to have. So just click install this one, install on your phone, and then it will get installed. But in my case, it's already installed, so I'll go ahead to simply open it. So when you open your Pixellab for the first time, you'll be taken to a default window. This is a default window of your Pixellab. Alright, so you find this text there. So what you do is you just delete it. In order to delete it, you click this icon there. Alright, so click there and you should be able to delete it. So go ahead, delete it. Alright, so we have deleted it, and now we have a blank window. where you're going to do your project. That's very important. So next, you have to set image size. So we would like to set image size, so you click here in order to create image size. You click there on the three dots. You click those three dots, and then you'll be taken to a place where you can set the image size. So we are going to set the image size to 700. Set the image size to 700 by 900. Alright, so remember that we'd like to create a poster for our food business, for a restaurant. Okay, then you click OK. Alright, so after choosing the image size, now you're good to go. Alright, so with this window, you now upload an image from your gallery. Okay, in order to upload an image from the gallery, you click this plus sign here, click that, and then you'll be taken to the gallery. So the gallery is over here, this one. So click that. Okay, so click that to choose the image that you'd like to upload to this workspace. Alright, so upon clicking this, you'll be taken to the gallery where you find different images. So these are some of the images that I work with. Some of them I designed them, others are shared to me by friends who are into design business. So the image that I would want us to select is this one here. Alright, so with this image, that's the one I would like to select. So when you select it, you'll be able to see it on your window, and then you have to confirm the selection. So confirm selection by clicking this symbol. So you adjust the size. This is the image that we just got from the gallery. So adjust its size like that. Okay. So we have started the journey of designing a poster for our food business. Alright, so next you need to add some shapes to this. So in order to add shape, once again you click the plus sign, this plus sign there, and click this plus sign. Alright, and then you'll be taken to where you can select a shape from. So the shapes are found here. You find circles there, circles, rectangles, squares, and different other interesting shapes. Alright, so having clicked this, now we would love to select a shape. So immediately you click shape, you'll be given this, what looks like a square. Right, so to get the shape that you desire, you come here and click, there's an arrow here, click that arrow. It will take you to different shapes that you want. It will take you to different shapes that you desire. Right, so if you click here, you have these shapes, different shapes. Then you choose the one that we want. So the one that we would like to choose is this one. Okay, so upon selecting this one, click this, you will have something like this. Alright, so having chosen this shape, now what we are going to do is we select it to confirm selection and then rotate it. You rotate it like this. Rotate it like this and then adjust its size or increase the size of it. So to increase size, all you have to do is just stretch it and stretch it like that as much as possible. Stretch it like this. Alright, stretch it until it fills up the entire space. So stretch it further, and then we have something like this. Okay. Alright, so next we would like to change the color of this shape. Okay, remember we are designing a poster for a food business. Okay, so we'd like to change the color of this. So in order to change color, we click here and then you look for color. So color is found here. That's where you change color from. Okay, so you click this place, and you click this place, you'll be taken to this place where you have to enable color. So in order to enable color there, you simply have to click this. So upon clicking this, you will see that you have the colors become red by default. But the red is not the color that we want. So we want to get the color from the image that we posted earlier on, the one above. Alright, so what we're going to do is we want to choose a different color, but it should match with the image that we posted earlier on. Alright, so in order to do that, you simply click this plus sign here. I want to add a color that matches with the food image that we posted. So let's see what we're going to do. So you click here. When you click here, you should be able to see this, and then you click this icon there. Okay. So what happens? Watch what happens when you click this icon. Okay, so when you click the icon, you have these three colors. You have this one here, this one in the middle, and this one. Okay, so we wanted a color that matches with the food icon, the food image that we placed earlier on. So I'm going to click this one here, and then select color that matches with the food item. Now, if you look at the food item that we just placed here, as I click at different places like this, you see that the color here is changing. Here, at that corner there, is changing. So that's how we select color, the color that we want. So we keep doing that. If I click here, you see the color is changing to green. If you click here, the color changes to green. If you click there, the color changes to yellow. If I click here, the color changes to red. So the color that you get there depends on where you have clicked. So I want to choose green color by clicking here. Alright, then I select that. Then click OK. So the color now has changed to green, which is the color that we wanted. Okay. Now, next we copy this image, this image that we added, copy it. In order to copy this, we simply click here on copy image. All right, copy image. Okay, so when you copy this image, you have something like this. Okay, you have copied this one. You have copied it. You can see that it's a different image. You just copied the original one. Again, I would like us to change the color of this to yet another color that matches very well with our food image, the food image that we posted earlier on. Once again, you go to color and then you click the add sign, and then you click this one here, and then you click the food item that you placed earlier on, and look what is happening as you choose different colors. The color picker keeps changing. The color picker keeps changing. All right, so I'll choose to this time to use the yellow color which matches with the food item. All right, so I'll choose that and pick it, and then click OK. All right, so eventually we have this. This is beautiful. Our poster is now taking shape. It's taking shape. All right, there comes a time when we don't want these objects to be shaking, so we shall need to lock them. In order to lock the images so that they are not movable, they are not moving, you simply click this icon here. All right, so upon clicking this, you see something like that, and then in order to lock these images so that they don't move, you simply click the lock icon there, this one here, this one there, and then you click that one again. You see that it's what the image is no longer moving. So our food poster is slowly but surely taking shape, the shape that we desire. All right. Okay, I hope you are following. If you are not, if you are following, please indicate in the comment that you are following, and indicate where you are watching this video from. This is important that you should learn so that you can design your own posters for your business. This can apply to any other business. If you sell charcoal, you can do the same. You can create a poster for charcoal. If you sell rice, you can create a poster for rice. If you sell whatever you sell, if you sell meat, you can design a poster and communicate with your customers, your audience. All right. Please take note of how I'm balancing the colors. It's important to balance the colors very well so that your poster looks really, really beautiful. All right, so next I would like us to add in more images to this. So remember, to add an image, always consider or remember to click that plus sign there. Okay, so let's see. So we click this one from the gallery. You click the gallery icon there, and then go down to select your image. All right, so I'll select this image here. All right, watch what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so this image, I would like it to change its shape. So to change its shape, as it is in a rectangular box. So I want it to be in a circular shape. So you click here in order to get it into a circular shape. All right, so watch. If you click here, you see it is now in a circular enclosure. It's inscribed in a circle. Then you confirm your selection like that. Okay, so we have this. All right, watch. So you can adjust the size of this so that it is of reasonable size. Let's say we have something like this. All right. Okay. So having done that, now you need to add a stroke. Stroke is just the what? The margin of it. So I'll add a stroke, then you enable stroke like that, and you choose the green for the stroke. I will choose this green here, and then you increase the stroke to, let's say, a width of 7. Increase the width up to 7, and then click OK. All right, so we have this one. Okay, you can continue adding others if you have them. You go down and select another one. Let's say we select this, and also remember to put it in a circle, and then confirm your selection. It's so cool and actually very good to learn this. You should be able to learn this one. It's important to learn these skills so that you can do these things on your own without having to go to a designer to do it for you. Alright, similarly, we add a stroke to this, and add a stroke, and then increase the stroke size, okay, to 7 again, okay. Remember to choose the stroke color. Okay, so it's green, just like the one we had before. All right, then click OK. You continue doing this, and you can also add another product. Okay, remember we are doing this for our customers, our dear customers. You can add the last one, the last image, like that. It's so beautiful to do. Put it in a circle again. All right. Adjust it so that it's not flattened. It's perfectly circular. Okay. Right. And then adjust again, something like that. Okay. And then remember to add stroke. Add a stroke to this, and also remember to select the stroke color. The stroke color is green, and then add the stroke width by simply adjusting this to say 7. Okay, yeah, so we have these foods on our poster. Okay, these are like our products. Okay, yeah, now the products that we are offering. Remember to lock these images so that they don't move. All right, so you can position them nicely like that. Yeah, position them nicely and perfectly. So these are the products, but what are they? You need to give them names. So in order to give them names, you go again to add the text. So to add text, anything you add, you just have to click there. Okay, let me show you. You click here. Whatever you want to add, click there, and then you'll be taken to what you want. So click text. Would like to add text to this. All right. So in order to add text, just edit this one, and let's call that chicken burger. So that's a chicken burger, by the way. A chicken burger. We have a burger there. Burger spelling is like this. Then you click OK. Click OK. So we have a chicken burger. Okay. You can change the color of this text to something like green. Remember, we are being careful with our selection of colors. Let's say green. You can add green, a different kind of green. Alright, you can also reduce the font size. You can reduce the font of this text. Font font size is this one. Let's reduce it to as small as, say, 37, and that's okay. If you are happy with it, we can change the style, or even the font. You can change if you want. Let's choose this one here, and so we have something like this. If you're not happy with the colors, again, you can change the colors. Let's say we need to this time change to, yeah, I think this matches with the other colors. We are trying to be careful to balance colors so that our design looks beautiful. Alright, so we have chosen the color there, we have chosen the font. You can make it bold. Alright. It's not looking really clear. Let's try to maybe change the color to white. Okay, if we can change this to something like white, that would be good. So let's get it to white. Okay. Alright, yeah, it's okay. So chicken burger, and then you can have fish burger there. Just so all you have to do is copy the same text and edit it. Okay, so upon editing this, we can now type fish burger. Fish burger. We have different types of burgers. Okay, fish burger, and then lastly you have something like cheese. So this is cheese. Come. This is funny like design. Oh. Then go for this, they're online. Then go back video in that music. Sure. Alright, so when you do this, okay, sorry about the disturbance. So we copy this again and edit this. Edit this. Let's say this time cheese burger. This is cheese burger. So these are our products. So we have chicken burger, fish burger, and cheese burger, different types of burgers. Alright. So this is what we have. These are our products. Okay. These are our products. Okay, so we are informing our clients that we are producing these things. Okay, now the poster will not be complete until we have called people to action. Okay, like to maybe we want by the end of the day to make our customers or our audience, the target audience, to take action. So the action can be done if we provide a means of communication. So in that case, we shall need to add contacts. So in order to do that, we can add something like, let's say, a rectangle. Yeah, add something like a rectangle. Something like a rectangle where we are going to put our contacts. So we can put our contacts right here, calling our customers to action. Okay, calling them to what? Say to make order, to place orders. So I'll put green there. Okay, I'll add green color. Okay, and then we are almost done. So we can ask our customers to send us a WhatsApp message to order through WhatsApp. So in order to do that, we can bring a WhatsApp icon from our gallery, if there's one. Yeah, so I can add a WhatsApp symbol or icon. This is the one. Okay, let's make it as beautiful as possible. Yeah, so this is our WhatsApp icon. Okay, we are calling our customers to order, make orders. Then change the color of this thing to something else so that it does not conflict with the icon for WhatsApp, the WhatsApp icon. Okay, so this is our WhatsApp icon calling our customers to order. Okay, so place your order. You can say order, just put your number there, the phone number which they can contact you on. So the number may be say 099 098 1258 577. All right. So bring your number here. Okay, you can change the color of the number, the color to say black. Let's just have black. Okay, so then you have black, and then you place it here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So our poster is almost done, but again, a poster without a title doesn't make sense. So you need to add something like a title. So you copy something, copy text, and then put the title there. Then you can indicate Yame, something like Yame Delicacies. Yame Delicacies. Yame Delicacies as the title of their poster. Probably, yeah, this is okay. Yame Delicacies, for which you can increase the font again. See font size, let's say, do that. Yame Delicacies. All right. Then our poster looks okay. It seems we are done. And so since we are done, next we have to save this image. So saving image, you can save it as a project, or you can also save as an image. So all you do is choose the quality of your image as Ultra, that's the best quality you can have, and then save it. Yeah. So now we have managed to save our image. All right, so thank you very much. We stop here for today. Wishing you all the best. Now your image is ready. Your image is ready. You can save it. Even we have saved it. You can check in your gallery. Go to your gallery to check where it is saved. Just go to your images. You see that our image is this one here. Okay, now you see. You can now share this if you want. You can share this to your audience. Let's say on your status, WhatsApp status, or you can post this on your Facebook stories, or any other place where you'd like to have this served. My name is Mr. Poch Lola once again, wishing you all the best and see you in the next video. Bye for now.